Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to our today's session. Today we're going to talk about Python arrays, right? So we're going to talk about arrays. So remember, we spoke about list and tuple, and today we're going to talk about how to save many items using a box, using a bucket. So you got a bucket, you want to save many items, or you got a box, you want to save many items, or maybe you got a letter, or maybe you got a variable, you want to save many items using what we call an array, right? So an array, it's just a group of items, right? But those items must be using the same data type, right? So if you are saving numbers, your items must only have numbers. So if it's letters, it has to be only letters, right? This is what we're going to talk about. So when it comes to an array, we are talking about same data type, right? So what you need to do, so I'm going to share my screen. So first, to go to the internet, you just type the online tool that we are using. You type Google Colab, you press enter. And from here, you can scroll down, just scroll down here, and you click there, right? And from here, you can say new notebook, right? But if you cannot see new notebook, you can just go to file and you choose new notebook. You can just go here, file, new notebook. Okay, so how to create an array? So I can just say like X here, and X, it's gonna be, I can say 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So this is an array. And I print here, I can say print X, right? So when it comes to an array, you need only to have same data type. Like here, we do have numbers. So an array must only have numbers. So, and when it comes to an array, we can make like, we can add new stuff inside. We can say like append, right? We can add number 45, and we're gonna bring this print down here. So we can add new stuff, and you can see 45 is there. We can remove something, right? So I can remove here. I can say remove 8, number 8, and I can run it again, and you're gonna say number 8 is not there, right? And for me to access one of the elements only, so I can say there, like print X. I can say there, print for me only the element that is like in the 4th positions. So number 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna print only number 5, right? But remember, we already added this, so we are using this one. Okay, let me first remove this one so that the confusion won't gonna happen. So I want only to print the elements here, like position 3, 1, 2, no, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna print number 5. And you're gonna see it's gonna print number 5. When I'm saying print number 1, it's gonna print number 2 because 2 is under position number 2, number 1. 1, 0, 1, right? And when I'm saying position number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's gonna be 6, right? And when I wanna make some changes, it's the same things that we spoke about. I can just say there, like X position 2, I can say put 500, print X here, right? So it's gonna be, and you're gonna see 500 is gonna come there. So first it's gonna print 6, and we're going to add, we're going to change. Wherever there is number 4, we're gonna put 500, and we are going to print it, right? So guys, this is how to create an array. When it comes to an array, you need to have only same data type. Don't try to mix stuff here, or maybe here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's say there it's F, right? Now I'm gonna try to print again. You see that it won't gonna work. Why it won't gonna work? Because I'm mixing. There's a mixture of what? Letters and numbers. It won't gonna work. But if I'm removing and I'm running it again, and it's working, right? So this is what we call an array. But most we're gonna use like an array when it comes to numerical calculations. When we are dealing with numerical calculations like money stuff, like transactions and so on, right? When it comes to transactions, when it comes to numerical calculations, we can use an array, right? So when it comes to an array, you can also add, you can remove, you can change stuff. So it's changeable, it's mutable. So we can change stuff, right? It's not like a tuple where we cannot do changes, where it's fixed, right? But we are using also brackets here. The most things that you need to understand when it comes to a list and an array can only use same data type, while can mix data type, right? So thank you very much. See you next time.